Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. If you're on the quest for the perfect struts for your Honda Accord, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top contenders, ensuring your ride gets the best upgrade it deserves. Let's explore the ideal struts that guarantee a smooth and comfortable drive. Number 1. CCIYO Struts. Elevate your Honda Accord's performance. Automobile collision. Unleash the true power of your Honda Accord with CCIYO Struts. Engineered to perfection, these struts redefine smooth rides and impeccable handling. Crafted exclusively for Honda Accord, they seamlessly blend precision and style. Feel the road like never before as these struts effortlessly absorb bumps, ensuring a serene driving experience. CCIYO struts aren't just parts, they're upgrades that transform your car into a performance powerhouse. Drive with confidence, tackle corners with ease, and enjoy every journey in your Honda Accord, thanks to CCIYO struts. Upgrade your ride, upgrade your life. Number 2. Detroit Axle has truly impressed me with their exceptional struts, and Honda Accord owners, this one's for you. These struts are a game changer. They offer a smooth, comfortable ride that feels like a dream on the road. The build quality is top-notch, ensuring durability and reliability. Say goodbye to those annoying rattles and shakes, and hello to a whole new level of handling. Whether you're cruising the city streets or hitting the highway, these struts will elevate your Accord's performance. Upgrade to Detroit Axle and experience the difference for yourself. Your Accord deserves the best, and these struts deliver. Number 3. Autosaver 88 Struts. Revolutionize your Honda Accord's ride. Rev up your Honda Accord with Autosaver 88 Struts, the ultimate upgrade for an unbeatable ride. Designed with precision and engineered for perfection, these struts transform your driving experience. With Autosaver 88, you're not just upgrading your car, you're enhancing your lifestyle. Experience unmatched stability on the road, impeccable handling, and a smooth-as-silk ride that'll make heads turn. Crafted exclusively for Honda Accord, these struts fit like a dream, ensuring top-notch performance and safety. Say goodbye to bumps and hello to comfort. Upgrade your ride, upgrade your life. Autosaver 88 Struts, where style meets substance. Number 4. Elevate your Honda Accord's performance to new heights with ECMP struts. Automobile collision engineered for precision and durability, these struts are a game changer. The smooth, responsive handling on every curve feels like a dream. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to ultimate comfort and control. ECMP struts not only enhance your driving experience but also ensure your safety with their top-notch quality. The installation was a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly design. Plus, the sleek appearance adds a touch of sophistication to your vehicle. If you're searching for unmatched performance and style, look no further. ECMP struts are the perfect choice for every Honda Accord enthusiast. Number 5. Shockstack Struts. Elevate your Honda Accord's ride to the next level. Automobile dashing away, prepare to be amazed, fellow Honda enthusiasts. Shockstack struts are the game changers your ride has been waiting for. Crafted with precision and engineered for excellence, these struts redefine smoothness and stability on the road. Your Honda Accord will glide effortlessly, absorbing every bump and turn with unparalleled grace. Installation is a breeze, and the difference is instantly noticeable. Say goodbye to jolts and hello to a newfound driving pleasure. Shockstack struts don't just enhance your ride, they transform it. Upgrade your driving experience today and feel the difference yourself. Your Accord deserves nothing but the best, and Shockstack struts deliver on that promise. In conclusion, choosing the right struts for your Honda Accord is crucial for a smooth and safe ride. We've explored the top options, considering durability, performance, and affordability. Whether you prioritize comfort or sporty handling, there's a perfect fit for your Accord. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you make an informed decision for your vehicle's suspension needs. Safe travels!